Good morning everyone and welcome to you in this daily update on Bitcoin and the ads as always. Hope you had a very nice weekend. You have been able to trade Bitcoin maybe before on Friday, before the weekend currently. We have been able to take the short trade here and we've got the lovely continuation, so that's pretty cool. We have been able to short that right here once we've got acceptance back here into the triangle, so that's pretty nice. And yeah, that brings us where we are right now, exactly right into the value low we was looking for here, the level we have been waiting for a long trade. That's pretty nice. We're going to update all of this, but first of all I just want to check that the volume is working well. The microphone, and there we go, cats are back. So yeah, normally the microphone is on. Good morning, mate. Gonna go with the live chat here, increase that a bit, and there you go. So Bitcoin. So yeah, this was on just before to update Bitcoin here really with the levels. We've got acceptance back into the triangle for the short in. So the short here got activated. Okay, so this was once we've got acceptance back here into the triangle. As I said before, if we get acceptance back into the triangle, this is a short trade, really as simple as that. So we've got acceptance back here into the triangle. We've got a sideways weekend. If you pay attention here, we just got this. No. This value high here, sorry, retest over the weekend. You can see here, value high. Go inside, boom, get a nice drop. So you even got a retest here if you missed the entry around there, really on the reclaim of the triangle. And from here we've got a lovely continuation, pretty complex short, I'm not going to lie, because you've got a massive bullish FIDA, not a very strong one, but still, and you've started to get some few shorts in this downtrend here. So this could, to be fair, rise easily. Now over the weekend the opposite happened really, and so we've got to take profit targets at first. This first one here, so naked session path control daily, and the value low. I did took profit once on this zone simply because I was in my bed, so woke up and didn't check at the order flow, took profit because I wanted to be safe really on this trade if I had to get a full reversal due to the still big bullish dividend. So then once I've checked the order flow, very simple, as I said. Not looking for a long at these lows personally. I prefer to remain long from lower, and so to speak, the only long target you can see is this, and so this is simply the value low where we are right now. You can see our value low here into the green box. Something was putting here for a while, to be honest with you. Okay, so we are now at the value low and we're going to update this. We're also in the Y wave 1618, and we did not touch it here as a 50%. We did touch it now. No, we did not. So we are at the target in any case. We're going to cover the order flow next, but just want to update the plan really quick. So we can get rid of this triangle now. We can remove this. Go on a weekly time frame and simply no new weekly. All right. What is that? So daily level, this one can be removed, and this one can be removed. Nice. So let's come back on the 1 hour. $104,975. Good. On the ticks one way it says. All right. Oh yeah, this is very high. Crazy. Okay, so let's go now on the daily levels. So we have one naked session path control around the very top, but this is already there. Yes. We have 103,490. good. We have another one. 101, 190. And do we have any other one? No. Alright. TPO, we have one here. The one above here. Over the weekend we've got one, but it got hit. This one here. So we have 104, 926. There we go. TPO. And we'll have another one by the way. Alright, and the NPOCs here, we've got also the one here that is not hit with a real price. You can see the top is already here. So still available on the chart, and this one here is 104, 962. Dot 5, right? Yep. All right. Perfect. Okay, so let's just do an order flow reading here before to go live to continue the to make the plan really. So we've got here what exactly? So the bottom here, let me see. A massive amount of shorts you can see here. Completely erect directly. You can see here 36 million of new shorts coming in, 29 million here getting, well, squeezed really, and you have another 13 million here. So all the shorts here got wrecked already. Okay. Do we have any good data here for a bounce? A lot of longs at the very bottom there. That's pretty nice. 5 million. This is pretty cool. Alright. This is 30 seconds. And you got here, so no crazy data on that low here, but what you've got here, a bounce with bad data, so you expect a retest at first. And from that retest here, you can see you got some nice demand there. That brings us with a reversal, but very complex to long due to this bearish CVD here, you can see. Right here you have a high, lower high, and then you have a, well, you had a lower high at the very time. Now we did got an increase in price. No, please, not the keyboard. And so here at the same time you've got a higher high on the CVD and another higher high at that time. So now we cleared this. That's pretty nice. So we need to see how is a breakout now, this high. If we manage to get a nice breakout or not. If we do so, can bring us with a long trade. To be fully honest with you, I did took the long on this. I was sleeping, but I did place the limit order on that. Why? Simply because, well, the plan is a plan, really. Very simple thing. We've planned this value low target. I mean, that is the only long target I can see. Of course, we can make something complex as I explained in the update. That was when it was at the top here. So I can't remember which one it was, but maybe that one. I don't know. In this update here, when it was at the top, this is the only long target I can see. The value low. We can do something complex below into the 6.86%. So what I mean with this is simply do a complex level approach. So for example, here you have the value low, you go below it, you flip it into resistance, fake the drop with a retest and a low, high, low, or even SFP the low, or do a failed auction below and then manage to reclaim, flip to support and continuation. This is possible, okay? Are we going to do this? I have no idea. We'll see along the time really what data we have. For now, if you miss this, okay, so if you did took the long, I would see what's going on there for the moment. This is a good breakout. You've got some longs. Now the thing is we need to reclaim the VWAP, and we need to also reclaim what exactly? Let me see, to get a sign of strength. This one we don't really care anymore now. What? Okay. Yeah, this one no, and so this one here, that might come with a Valera low. Yep. Alright. Well, the only resistance I can see is this. This is pretty far away, right? So I would say I would view this as a range. Okay, let me just delete this. Now we don't really care anymore. Can get rid of that. Can pull this. Boom. Sorry, that will be a very simple thing. Okay, if we get acceptance back into the range here, that's a long. If you miss the low. Yeah, this looks a good one. So yeah, the thing is we need to see a breakout of the range low and a reclaim of the 2 days VWAP. If we do so, we are likely going to go at least into 102,000 here. Okay, this is a target if we reclaim the range low and get acceptance above the VWAP. Play long now. Problem is we're at the resistance now. We was at the support. Okay, to this value that we have planned. Now the thing is we're coming back to see and visit the range low, really see if we get acceptance back above or not. So to run too long now, it's up to you. To be fair, you can absolutely. The breakout was good. Now it's a little bit weak still because we have a bit of a lack in volume, but we do have the longs, we don't have any bearisivity. So this is classed as bullish, just a little bit weak. So be careful if there are some shorts coming in, this might reverse. For now we don't. The best way to see that we really get acceptance above, break the VWAP with some good data, of course, a strong move to the upside. If we do so, then that's a reclaim, and the first take profit will be simply here. Okay, and if you did took the long from the very low on MXU, by the way, my limit was the exact low. That's pretty nice. We didn't got a bigger wick here. We just went into the Valera though. Just see what's going on now, really. Just see what's going on now. If we start doing something bearish, take profit one. If not, if we don't get anything bearish in that, wait for this at least. Yeah. So, yeah. What can I say on Bitcoin? Basically, this was a long target. The short target here, I'm not looking for a short anymore, I'm in a short trade. So this is the only resistance I can see. If we start reclaiming this, to be honest with you, this is likely going to go higher. We have some big resistance, you can see here, for example, we're not going to go for an all-time high in just one green candle, so of course we're going to get some rejection. So you can look for such short trades, okay, but this is not for a massive drop next time, just looking for a bit of a pullback to continue higher. So for day traders, this can be very good. This is, for example, a very good target. Okay, so we have this basically weekly negative path control up to this daily negative path control. Okay, if we do reclaim that, we do have the highs. We can look for the highs here. Okay, we'll have 2 highs here to take. Now we'll look for a new all-time high to be fair at that point. So yeah, there's only 2 trades I can see here, basically. Okay, but not really looking for a short right now. We are around the support. We're dropping, so I'm not looking for a short, looking for a long. Yeah, so there's a resistance, it's there. The support, this is the only one. Please be aware of, as I said in the last update, we can absolutely do something a little bit more complex. If, for example, we are unable to get acceptance back into the range and flip the VWAP into support, reclaim it, we're just going to follow again, maybe, well, just make a complex approach below the support we have planned. Okay, so to speak, go below, flip it into resistance, fake the drop with a retest or a new low, it depends, and then manage to reclaim, flip to support the level, and come back up. Okay, please be aware of that. The flip to support these days can take some while. Okay, it can, for example, reclaim, do a big move, and then come back down to flip into support, and then come back up. This is what happened For example, on this long trade, you know, that was a lower time frame long here. It was starting from here, the long was starting from here. So when below, you can see flip to resistance, fake the drop, and reclaim, boom, massive comeback down here to flip into support and get the continuation. So it can take some while before to do a flip to support. It's now maybe going to do a small one here and then continue higher. Yeah, so basically we just have to trade this value at low level. This is the only thing we need at the moment with a range above and the VWAP. Okay, so this, and this. Let me just remove all these things here. Bam, 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 bam. This is the level we need. Well, we can pull the 618 at least 6% below. If we do a complex approach, reclaim the VWAP to today's VWAP. Look for this value at low zone here around 102,000. As simple as that. So the levels were done. The wave here, well, I'm just taking what we've planned again. If we have to drop, I was looking for this double EXY into the 1618 and the 50% here. We got it. So, well, that's it. I'm looking for this, really. Simple as that. Still looking for this wave 1-2 at the moment. There is no invalidation. No. No, there is no. There is no. So yeah, still looking for this impulse if here to the upside. Please be aware of that. There is a configuration where this is done already. If I can, yeah, perfect. Where the wave 5 here is done. Okay, we have possibly done this. And so now we're already possibly into the bigger wave 4, right? We have done this. And we are already into this bigger wave 4. Okay, so to speak, we are in this configuration. This is not a bigger impulsive like this. We don't have here a WXY. We have this simple ending like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 expanding ending. So now this is done. And we're in the bigger wave 4 already. So this is something possible. Should we break below the value at low level we have planned? If we get acceptance below, this is what I'm going to take. Already is a big green wave 4. Okay, it'll be a very small attempt to try into for a new all-time high, but again, it's not impossible. But for this to happen, I really want to say we get acceptance back below the value at low. Before it happens, we can look for, boom, this bigger impulse if here to the upside. Gonna control it again, perfect. Normally with a top around the 3rd of February, but well, it's taking some time right now to form the wave 2, so we'll see this a little later, see if we can adjust the dates or not. For now, this is the dates for the wave 5 top, the white wave 5, so the blue smaller wave really. So I'm still looking for the same. Just want you to be aware of this bearish configuration if we have to be bearish. Yeah, so Bitcoin, we're down, to be honest with you. Let's move on a few hours now, I think. Yeah, know where she is right now, playing with some toys. Don't know where, but she is playing. Yeah, exactly, she wants to join the stream to know how to trade Bitcoin. XCN, pretty cool rise. We've got a touch into our 3rd level we have planned. We've got, you know, this first big resistance there planned. So this big red box here between this white level here, there was a green wave 5, so a small green wave 5 target. You can see here this wave right here, wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. These ones, the ones right here. So what happened here? We went for a small extension above. As I said in the last update, the 2618 is most of the time never well touched to the dollar. So more of this year we're on the log scale. So you can see on the log scale it's a small push to the upside above. On a normal scale, I'm not going to lie, this is still a pretty big move higher than the target. So still pretty nice, to be fair. And when we went exactly into the higher time frame green wave 3, so into, well, 0.047, that was the level really we have planned in the last update, you can see here, and we've got a nice minus 30%. This was the first level here really we have planned. This is for the high time frame green way through. You can see it can still give some nice rejection for the lower time frame wave. So this was a target, and so we've got this lovely rejection pullback from this high time frame level at the moment. That's pretty cool. So if we are into a wave 4 right now, normally we should be into the white wave. We have done a massive push to the upside. So when you do a massive push to the upside like this, from my experience, you're not going to do some small retracement, right? So you're going to more likely expect a 50%, 6.86% on a normal scale, but still on the, you can see, so not a 23.6, 38.2 on a normal scale. You're going to expect a 23.6, 38.2 more likely on the log scale. So if you go on the log scale, this is more likely the target. So we should have, we still have a bit of space to drop. And to go below, really, we talk about a nice minus, 30, 40, 50% if we have to drop here. So it's quite big, but normally it's a pullback to continue higher next. Okay, so this is a target for me, only zone where I'm interested into a buy or a long on this, and then you can look for another increase in price where you can make against your 200% almost to ride a wave 5, so double, well, even more than that your investment, so that's pretty nice. Yeah, so this is a buy zone here between 0.02223 down to 0.013. Okay, this is a target. This is the best target, and moreover this we have a lot of confidence with the levels, so to speak. If you go so here on the 15 minutes, as I said yesterday, we have this nice lower time frame resistance that you took a short, by the way. I shared that within the Discord, so here you can see lower time frame resistance, and we're already back down there. So this was some nice money made overnight, not gonna lie. Minus 20% since then, that's pretty cool. So yeah, this is still the resistance at the moment. If we just make one more high, you can look for an SFP of the top into the 6.86%. If we start reclaiming this, we can look for the path control, but yeah, I don't like this target anymore, to be fair. So this was just a lower time frame resistance, but otherwise with a support here, you can see we have these two supports. The first one is coming around 0.023. If you check out the wave here, you can see 0.022, not 523 really. Okay, so this right here is a lovely target. Well, you can see this value high, this encourages you up. And the 6.86%, so a lot of confidence for the 23.6, sorry, on the log scale. There is a green key level, and then we have, if we drop below here, the 38.2 on the log scale with a weekly path control. So this again is a very good zone of confidence. So we have these two targets that I am personally going to look for a long. I did not place it some limits on this, but if there is anything good in there, I'm going to long. Well, I could play some limits, by the way, to be honest with you. Yeah, so anyways, this is the accumulation zone where we are having below, and this is if you want to be a bit more accurate with the levels. You do have also a bit of support with the SFP here, but well, the bigger ones are these two, to be fair. So we could bounce, you know, of the MCFib that is basically to the 23.6 here, 38.2 of the MCFib in between days around the SFP. Yeah, I'm gonna look only for the highest, the biggest confidence personally. So that is it for XCN. Just wanted to update this very quick, just to let you know, because we've got some big volatility on that. Ethereum and ton. All right. Oh, by the way, GALA did reach it here, our target. We was waiting for this target here to be hit. Now this is hit, but we need Bitcoin being bullish for this to reclaim. We need to see a reclaim now of this target. Yeah, you can see we're still below the support. We either have to drop down to the weekly negative path control, monthly negative path control, either have to get a reclaim of this and flip to support. Wait, just 1 second, please. Alright, sorry. Yeah, so I want to see here a reclaim and a flip to support of this. As soon as they remain below, the best will be to wait here for the weekly and monthly negative path control. Okay. Right, so yeah, GALA, we were done. Nothing more to add on this. Just wanted to let you know. So Ethereum, it was Ethereum. Ethereum should be in there. Ethereum. There you go. Still looking for the same right now. Now we need Bitcoin bullish, to be honest with you. Wait, what happened there? Because maybe I will have to take profit rate. We've got the shorts. Yeah, hold on a minute. Just gonna take profit real quick on the long here because close one. All right, good. Yeah, prefer to close a bit of my long here, take profit to make it safe because of the shorts here that came in. You can see here the longs, there is a good breakout. You can see there's a weakness still. Like I said, we have a bit of like in volume here, and so if you get the shorts, this is going to reverse. We did got the shorts, you can see here, and boom. And they came in at 10.7. So it can continue, but I just prefer to secure a bit of profit personally. So what's on Ethereum? Still looking for the same. We have some. Sorry for the noise in the back. We do have some sideways up here, to be honest. So now the only problem is that it can be an ABC flat, or a ABC, or a wave 1, 2, 3. So basically a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or an ABC zigzag flat. Sorry. It depends what we hold or not now. So let's maybe update the levels because the plan with the wave is exactly the same. Now it all depends if we hold or not the level. So this chart here was not updated for quite a while now, not gonna lie, because you've got all these levels there above. They're not valid anymore, to be honest. So we can remove this. Remove this, remove that now, remove this too. What's that path control? Okay. Let's get rid of that. This and this, we don't care anymore now. These two, tuk. This is already hit. Yeah, I didn't touch this chart for a while. Let me see here. Okay, weekly levels. This is hit. This is untapped. This we don't care. All right, done. Oh, we did took the highs on this. Ah, I wasn't aware of that. Wow, alright. I'm going to cover the higher time frame first in the medium time frame. We're going to jump next and see what we can get in there. Well, to be fair, right now what I can see only on the lower time frame, just to go on this directly, that will be a reclaim of this range high, and if we remain below, there is only an SFP here. If we don't break this, to be fair, with no SFP or failed auction, this is going to go straight back into the path control. You can see around 2,600. Yep. Yeah. So we better hold this. Let me do something here. Let's update these levels too to get a bit more confidence, because maybe we'll have a few levels in between here, like for an SFP or something. Ticks are not good at all on this. So it's 5. Just 1 second, please. Well, E5 is good, by the way. Anyways, no, still not loaded. All right. Looks like that was a good idea to take profit. Let's see. Jeez, this is very long to load. Wow. Alright, last loading. So if I'm correct, we're going to see, but this right. Yeah, this right here is the zone. And if we break that, well, we can look for this again. Now it's a delivery, just 2 seconds please. An important one. There you go. So we just have one here at the top. Oh, I don't have this. There you go. 3896.67. What I said, 3896. Let me just turn on the notifications because they're really annoying. Walk. This one is there, yes. All right. Well, all this waiting for this. Right. Let's come back here. Well, yeah, to be fair, there is either an SFP of this low or a failed auction. If we have to drop below here, otherwise we're going to go straight back down into 2,600. Yeah, so either now we get a reclaim, flip to support, continuation. If we do not manage to do this, look for the low here, but to be fair, there is no real big confluence. Yeah, so we will see what's happening there really. And if we do not manage to hold this first low here, we can look for a drop down to 2,600 at least. Okay, and if we do break this, we'll have the target below. Yeah. Now let's go here still in a lower time frame. Do we have anything here? Daily. This was tapped already. Yep. So let's go on the 1 hour. Yeah, this is I mean, I'm not longing this. Yeah, range high. We need to wait for this range high to be reclaimed. Yeah, not even interesting on the lower time frame. So yeah, we need to reclaim this range high and flip it into support and maintain it as support, really. This. Otherwise, the bottom, if we do break the bottom here with nothing good for a long, boom, comes straight back into 2,600. TON, it's not in the trading section day, if I'm correct. It must be into the Alts directly. MNRST ton. That's a wave 4 here. Wow. Not mega bull, not bull. Well, yeah, still waiting for this, to be honest. Nothing more to update on that. You bored? Where is she? No, she don't want to come. Oh, there you go. Hello, you. So it's TON 20 days ago. Yes. You alone? No, not the mouse. So TON, this was around the beginning of yeah. So well, yeah, still looking for the same. To be fair, nothing changed since then. TON. That was an old chart again, not updated. On the reclaim of this, I guess that we did here, but went into the first resistance, I guess. Yeah, nothing to update, and well, we have the levels below in any case. You can see it did not touch the chart for a while. Still the same. Yep, still the same. Not much to update on this. Ethereum is done. FIDA, oh yeah, FIDA. Must be around there. What are you doing? If I manage to find it. FIDA. Nice attempt. What are you doing? Come. Alright, so ABC. So I was looking here for an ABC, so a longer ABC. Yeah, well, either, yeah, as I said before, wave 2 here or a B, but we really have to hold right now the SFP or the failed auction. If we don't, we're going to come back again for a new low. And so this right here was simply a correction to the upside. So an ABC, a correction WX, and a triple wave up here, so a WXY. And so this is not a 5 ways. I'm taking the 5 ways here because Bitcoin overall is bullish. In the case here, that will be a WXY, or even a WXY first. We don't really care. That's this is the same really. Here we don't take the highs, so what we can do here is next what we have before, WXY. So very simply, WXY X and Z. Let's go with minor red. Good, let's just delete that. Boom. It looks like the top is made there. Alright, so we can now pull the good extension tool that was maybe already there. Yeah, there you go. That is not the good one, but I think... Okay. Double EXY. This is exactly the same. This is not really worth it. So yeah, these are the only three I can see below. We had some levels on this now. I remember having some levels on this one. So why is this not anymore? Well, anyway, weird. Well, yeah, these are the targets and these are the wave. Should we drop more? So if we do not hold the previous low, really, 0.17. If we do not SFP or do a fellow in there, we can look for 0.12 down to 0.1110, really. If we break this, 0.06. What is this? Alright. 0.06, and then we can look for 0.025 down to 0.017, and then we can look for, well, really close to 0. We might never go there, but 0.0023. So yeah, that's it. Yeah, just some more confidence with the target. The targets are good. The targets are good. So yeah, this is it for that one. Now, are we going to bounce or no? We need Bitcoin to bounce. With this reaction there, that was from here take profit 1. You can see we have a bit of bear CVD again forming with some long, so this is strong, but this is getting absorbed. So to long this now, it's very complex because we have this bearish CVD, and we're at the resistance now. So yeah, the long was ready to take before, but this was overnight. Hello, you back? Yeah. So now, well, just follow the plan on Bitcoin, right? We just need to wait for the range low to be reclaimed and the view up. You want to play? So yeah, we need to see that we reclaim on Bitcoin. As simple as that. Where is this? FIDA. Yep. And once you've got possibly the bottom in, we need to see some nice 5 waves up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once you've got the 5 waves, you can look for the pullback here. Yeah, she really don't like to be alone. And she want to play right now. Anyways, so yeah, we're going to look for the retracement targets and everything, but for now we need these data we don't have at the moment. So yeah, FIDA, we're done. Good morning, mate. Good to see you here. Lower the better. Yeah, absolutely. Lower the better. I'm not short in accumulating, bit and bad. A few weeks, I mean, yeah. Well, that will be nice, but well, that will be cool also to rise at some point. Not gonna lie, on a few hats. To be fair, that will be cool. But yeah, low we go. Better discount it is, right? As you say, the lower the better. Exactly this. Yeah, see you soon, mate. Good luck for today. And thanks for joining and sending a message. GOKU is there. Last update was last week, if I'm correct. Let me just double check the date. Boom, 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 boom. GOKU. 6 days ago. So it was on Monday, right? So it was at the low here. Series activated now. Wow. That's a problem. That's a problem. On this one we don't have a new all-time high. On this one we have a new all-time high. So which one to take? Which one to take? Personally, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I'm gonna take this. Sorry, and we're getting acceptance back below. You can see this lovely resistance zone here. Alright, so now we just need to pull the extension tool. Duke. And you can look for the targets there. So maybe now this is a bit high, not gonna lie. Okay, if you bought before, it's maybe not the best place. So maybe let's wait for a low here. This and the 1618. Sorry. Yeah, there you go. So this. There you go. So yeah, that will be the. We can bounce off the MC extension, but I mean, when you think about it, this is very high, not gonna lie, so I'm not gonna look for this. Maybe we will, but this is a pretty high, otherwise the best way to come back below here. And so that will be for a longer way 4, 5. I'll look more, to be fair, for a WXY here. I'll look more for this. Use WXY. What crypto we can take now? Trump. Oh yeah, by the way, I wanted to update this one. So this one here, we've got, well, we wasn't able to hold this week low, if you remember good here. That was a possible long. We've got a bit of a bounce, but flip this value high into resistance. Boom, come straight back down. Take the lows. Flip the lows here into resistance, come back down again. So what we can take here is not this WXY down, but this WXY X and Z now, as we've got one more new low. Boom, WXY X and Z. And to be fair, I'm going to get rid of the higher time frame plan because now it disappeared. It got deleted from every exchange. So we don't have all these higher time frame data we've got before, you know, with a big wave 1, 2, 3. Now it's just a triple wave to the upside, and so it's pretty bad. Yep. You can see we just have this kind of triple wave to the upside. This is not 5 waves, so this is a correction to make next a bigger WXY after rise. So the higher time frame plan is not valid anymore, right? I'm going to change that. I'm going to still put it in a folder, but it's not there anymore on the chart, so. We cannot really look for this anymore. So if we have to win this WXY X and Z, so let me just get rid of the high time frame plan here, the smaller wave. And this. We can remove that, we can remove this. Yep. This already placed here. I'm gonna replace that. All right, so W root, W bottom, that is just right there, and then you can pull a third click on the second X wave top. Let's move this on the right, 350. There you go. And so we can get rid of these now. It's again, it changed. Let's go and move this a little bit more on the right. Let's move this to 250. Perfect. Let's log that. And there you go. This is the first zone here, and this is the second one there. This and this can be removed. What was that? Yeah, this is not good anymore. That was for the higher time frame plan. And so overall now we have an ABC zigzag to the upside, ABC. Let's go with some pink wave. And so here we can look overall for a WXY if we do not take the lows, WXY. And let's change this to red. This right here, there you go. So yeah, that's it on this one. They deleted the bullish data, so we take some bearish wave. Simple as that. Let's get rid of that. And we have this nice value level next below, but that will bring us with the next target. So yeah, remain patient, and that's it really. MELANIA here, we've got some nice 5 waves to the upside. Okay. The reaction here was pretty cool on the order flow. We've got some really well respected targets. I did miss the long. I preceded some limits on the retrace here, but we never got the bigger retrace. We have been holding this value high perfectly. You can see here. Just gonna get rid of that. This value high. Jeez. I've been holding here. This you can see this value high absolutely perfectly. Placed a limit just below here to trap some some shorts and squeeze that, or go really below here. But we never went that down. I was tempted to long here, but I was like, nah, this is still pretty high, not gonna lie. And we've got the pump, so I did took the long on the wave 4 here. 1, 2, 3, or 5. If we have some 5 ways up, normally this should be for a bigger impulsive or ABC zigzag, like I said in the Discord server. Now, if we take the lows, well, it means that simply this was a W, X, Y, X, and Z. It sucks, but it's like that, right? So now we just need to see what's going on there. So we did went really to the lower part of the target, the lowest as possible, and we've got a bounce. So let me just see here. You can see we went into the path control and we did a complex approach. Even touch it here. You can see this again pretty insane. You can see here, touch that to the dollar, bounce, and the path control, reclaim, flip it into support. Again, that's a complex. I mean, that's another level approach. Go below, reclaim, flip to support, pump. That's a typical approach. So now we can remove this, and we can pull this there. Is it a long or not? It's pretty complex to say with this kind of shitcoin, to be fair. Reclaim it, the path control, right. Normally I have the order for this. MELANIA. No absorption, no real shorts down here. Not really needed, sorry. Yeah, this was pretty strong, not gonna lie. This was pretty strong. 3 minutes. Yeah, that's pretty cool, not gonna lie, but how it looks to also bounce. Yeah, well, the very simple thing is now that we need to hold this. Oh no, my water. Let's move this here. Yeah. The best will be to hold this. Let's come on the 15 minutes here. This path control, to be honest with you. This path control and this. So this will be the first key support to hold. This one here, the path control. The next one will be here, this path control is the second key level. That will be the zone we sorry, the zone here we would like to see holding. Okay, maybe a good reaction for a retest. We might get something. You can see here we have a nice little zone support, flip to resistance. You can see a support, flip to resistance, come back up, and now we can do for, well, yeah, this is a zone really where we can look for a long trade. I will read the order flow on that because I will read the order flow. Trade is based on the reaction. This is but there is this possible long trade setup in play. Gonna set an alert here. We already backtested that. Let's place an alert just right there. And under 5 minutes. Yeah, we do have that. Okay. Yeah, so this is a possible long trade setup. I would like to see what's going on the retest here. And if we don't get anything bullish of this, very simple, boom, and new low. And so this was not a 5 ways up before, this was a double XYZ, and down we go again. But basically right now we have this range to trade. Okay, we have this very simple range here. Boom, 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 boom. No, if I did the range, there you go. We have this range to trade, as simple as that, really. Okay, go below, swing through, pound the low, failed auction. If not, continuation. But if we do, simply wait for a reclaim of the range, flip to support, take the long, target the high or a downtrend level, Valera high path control, Valera low with a confidence 86%, encourage you up all these levels. If we don't reject, boom, top of the range, swing through, pound failed auction. If not, boom, continuation. Trade the range till it breaks, as simple as that. Oh, another cat. Hello, you. And there are no other requests right now, so I'm gonna go play with the kittens because they're waiting for this. Not the keyboard, not the keyboard. Boom, 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 boom. Nah. So it looks like, no, the keyboard, please. I'm coming. Just a few minutes. Yep, looks like they're able to push higher, but yep, I'll just follow the plan. Morning May, wait, one more SWFTC coin. Alright, let me see. Is it this? Nope, not the keyboard. No. I guess it's this one here, right? Yeah, I'm stupid at that one. That's a nice bounce. Coinbase, nice. Even better, that one. A little more data. Alright, this is not at all a good thing. We can get rid of that. Let's go and keep all these too. It's a pretty complex start, not gonna lie. Wow, microphone almost fall off. There you go. Sorry about that. Yeah, this is a pretty complex start. Alright, let's start from the very bottom then. So let's go with the large scale. There we go. This can be a... that's a little bit the problem we're having on this one. We're having some scam wicks like this everywhere. So it's pretty complex to say if, for example, this right here is a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or if this is a triple wave due to the scam wicks. So I will assume that these are some 5 waves. These are some 5 waves. We can take here a wave 1, 2, okay? But I cannot be, I can never be sure. But here, definitely not that much, because, well, let's make this green. Due to the scam wicks here, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There you go. So next, what do we have? 1, 2. They're playing together. 1, 2. All right. Oh, for zone 3, it can be absolutely an ABC zigzag. That one's pretty complex, I'm not gonna lie. The start here is pretty... yeah, pretty complex. So this will be another wave 1, 2. Alright, nice. 1, 2. Could be here an ending for a C wave. So 3, 4. And then you have the V5 here with an ABC zigzag. That will be here for a bearish configuration. We'll cover the targets next. That'll be for the bearish configuration. No, like this. Sorry for the noise for the people that maybe join here. There's some cats playing. Bear. Some kittens. 3 months old, so... yeah, so this is for the bearish configuration. For the bullish one, well, I'm going to take a 1, 2, 1, 2. Another wave 1, 2, but looks a little bit too much, to be honest. So a wave 1, 2. Sorry. White, and let's go with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let's go with this one here, red, green, and there you go. Now it'll be nice to do this. Okay, so let's see now on a bit of a lower time frame what we have. Yeah, it tries, to be honest with you. We just go for a quick move up, come straight back down. And that's why it's pretty complex on that one. Like, even here again you can see. Oops. Even here again you can see. Quick move up. There is no way 4, 5 each time. Boom, come back down. So again here, have a quick move up. Maybe come back down, right? So that's why this one is pretty complex to do some chase on. They keep getting some pump and dump and pump and dump and pump and dump. And even from before here, this is, well, still going higher, but the rise is, it's like it's not on the 5 ways to the upside. It's pretty weird. Can see again, this is, well, this it's okay, but 1, 2, 3, drop. 1, 2, 3, drop. This one is fine. This is exactly the same on the lower time frame, so this must be a wave 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 extension. So we shall go for this on the lower time frame. So let me just see here very quickly on the 4s. Yep, nice. So let's see. Duke. $423.6. Alright. Let's go for this. Boom. So normally this right here is the zone we can look for buy. But again, be careful with the wave 4, as you understood, I think. Yeah, and this can go down to normally this 38.2 here, so 0.017974. Let's change that to key, move this to 2, and there you go. So yeah, this can go down to this level, but I don't want to see the price going lower than this. So if you want to reload the bags, but I'm personally not going to do any of this because the wave 4 on that one are pretty bad. Each time we do a wave 4, it sucks. So yeah. So well, yep. Once we have done this wave 4, we can look for the wave 5 here. This wave 5 is going to complete the 1, 2, 3. So the green wave 3 here. Once you have done this, we can look for the green wave 4, and then the wave 5, and then the 305, 305, 305. Now, on a higher time frame, what targets we can look for? We simply have to go on the lot scale here, go on a weekly time frame, pull the extension tool from the wave 1 root to the wave 1 top, boom, to the wave 2 bottom here. And this looks pretty high, to be fair, but let's see, 0078699, no, 69. There you go. That's a big target still we're having. Yep, this is a target, and otherwise we can look for what on a normal scale? Just a little higher. Have this one here, 0.033, 904. Nice. So we have this first big target above us. Again, it's in case we have to go higher. Otherwise, we can look for this big target above there. And again, this is only for the wave 3. or for a C wave top if we have to be bearish. Please don't forget this. So yeah, these are the zones really of take profit for now. And we have also the lower time frames. That's very nice. This one we're done. Yeah, we'll have to go next because I have an important delivery coming very soon and I have to pay, it looks like, that's pretty weird, some tax. I know that normally this is a scam when you know you receive this kind of message, but this is a delivery. Yeah, already got a delivery with this person, so I'll have to pay. What the fuck is that? Anyways, it's pretty weird. Don't know why. Anyways, we'll ask. So yep, there you go, mate. Did you check Floki and XVG, bro? No. I will check this real quick and then I'm gonna go off because delivery is approaching. Floki is there. A nice digital continuation. Yep. Bitcoin is not helping right now, to be fair. So we are not getting this. So if we go more down, we already have planned this, right? Bearish. So we take that. Can that be a double way 1-2-1-2 now? No. I'm gonna look for this still. Just gonna move this on the right, so let's go with 250. Nice. Yep, these are the two targets you can see. Looking for this configuration, I'll give you a wave. Yeah, that'll be basically on the swing through power reflection of this bottom there. And if we don't, we can look for this. Yeah, well, this weekly negative path control zone below. As simple as that, really. XVG is not in there. Why I'm in here? Oh wow! What a drop! So what happened? We finally got a lower, right? Because on that one, if I'm correct. I can't remember, by the way. I guess we was there, so it was either waiting for a drop. Yeah, as I said, for a long, I would prefer now to either reclaim this Valdera low. Yeah, this is why there are the draws, by the way, and flip it into support. Otherwise, wait for the triangle to be broken to the downside, swipe the lows, and from here reclaim, and on the flip to support the triangle. That's a long trade. We never got the reclaim, so there is just no long, so we can delete this and this. We can get rid of that too. This Valdera high looks like I'm gonna keep this, so we can, well, wait for a fake out, as simple as that really. So we can maybe move this a little bit more like that, like this. And so here what we can do is very simply wait for this, yeah, well, either wait for the lower target, that will be the best, okay, either wait again for a reclaim, flip to support. So the long trade, by the way, is still valid if we reclaim this and flip it into support. Unless this happen, you can look for the next target, right? So this. Yeah, these are the longs I can see, and if we drop below, boom, you can look for the monthly and weekly below here. Okay, but for now it's either a reclaim now, flip it to support and bounce, take the long. Well, now if you want, but I will, there is no level here. Sorry, we are into a big ring call. No, the best way to go in here, the support below here, to be fair. Yep, and right now we are dropping, so there is nothing to say with a wave, to be honest, on this. So there you go. Not so much to update on these. Bitcoin, yep, still is bearish CVD, so looks like it was a good idea to take profit. In any case, it's always good to take profit to reward yourself for the trade. That's pretty nice. Yeah, so let's just trade the plan, right? Let's see if we manage to reclaim or not the range low and the view up. If we don't, it's going to go for another low again. As simple as that. And if we go for another low, we just simply have to trade still this level with a complex approach, so to speak. For example, let me just open this. This really, okay, but in the opposite direction. So instead of getting a brick from, well, a brick of the level to the upside, we get this to the downside. So it's a go below the level, basically. So you have, I just say here, take this screenshot. So you have, oops, the level, right? So you go like this, you maybe hit it, bounce, but come back below, flip it into resist. So will be right now the first rise. Okay, for a complex approach, we can come back below, flip it into resistance, fake the drop with a retest, low, high, low, reclaim, flip to support, bounce, or if the retest is bad on the order for there is no reason too long, new low, swing flip, and fail auction, manage to get the good long data, reclaim, flip to support, and continuation. So to speak, here we can get, for example, we've got the bounce, okay, of the levels here. If we really have to make something complex, boom, we can go below, flip it into resistance, fake the drop with a retest, and then reclaim, flip to support, bounce. Or if the retest is bad, go below, reclaim, or flip to support and bounce. And if at these lows here there is nothing good for a long, it's still ultra bearish on the order flow. This is going to fall. Well, we can look for a long down to the weekly here, but I will no. No, personally I'm gonna remain long from the week low here. No, I'm not looking for a long down here personally. That's a weekly, that's cool, but there is no enough confidence for me on this. So no, I'm not going to long this. Yeah, I'm not going to long this. So yeah, let's see if we manage to get this if we manage to get some better data now, that would be cool, because I'm already in the long trade. so to not get stopped out will be nice. But well, now if we get stopped out on trade, well, can look for a 61886% below. Okay, so yeah, let's see what we get today. If we, I don't know if we have some news, by the way. No, we don't. Tomorrow we do have at 2:30 UTC +1, so be aware of that. Durable goods order. So I don't remember this is moving in the market or not, but it's in the high importance news. So maybe we'll just set another alarm on this. And otherwise on Wednesday we have the FED and the FED. So yeah, this is going to move more likely the market if the race is changing. But we'll cover this on Wednesday, as we will go live on Wednesday. And next we'll have on Thursday and Friday. What do we have? Personal income. Okay. Yep, well, just this one tomorrow. As I'm not live tomorrow, sorry. Yeah, so let's see what's happening now on Bitcoin. If we manage to get the better data, clean this absorption or not. Let's just follow and trade the plan, as simple as that. Anyways, on this being said, FAFO looking fantastic, take a look to the moon. Yeah, well, I'm turning off right now because I have an important delivery coming very soon, so I have to have to go. So I'm feel free to ask in the next update, mates. So yeah, wishing you all a brilliant day ahead. Take care of you, and let's see if we get the sign of strength on Bitcoin, not to reclaim. If we don't, well, this is more likely going to go for a complex approach, right? So let's see. Best way to reclaim the view up. If we do so with strength, we can look, you know, for the target WAF plan around there, right? So yeah, take care of you. Hope you had a nice weekend, and catch you over the Discord. If you want to get more, please don't forget you can go on the website. I mean, please, you do whatever you want, really. You can go on the website here. What is it? I'm going off MELANIA. So MELANIA is reaching, it looks like, the support. Oh well, there you go. You've got the let's see on the order flow. I'll go there and see on the order flow. So yeah, you can go and check out the website if you want to learn. I'm not logged in. Let me just log in very quickly here. Where is the? Here we go. If you want to learn Elliott Wave, ExoCharts and beginners lessons, really, you can go and check out the website. So this was on the course section. Bam. You have a beginner course, ExoCharts course, and an Elliott Wave course. Elliott Wave is absolutely, I mean, half of it is free, so go and check this out. ExoCharts is for the apprentice members because this is something a little bit more complex to learn, and you have, well, yeah, this is more complex to learn really, and so more complex to do. And everything is, otherwise the beginner course is absolutely free, so of course it's a bit to reward myself also, otherwise this content is free, this is half free, this is for apprentice also, but well, and all these updates are free, so this is just a small part that is for the apprentice. Otherwise you have all these, the download are free. For example, if you want to follow along with this workspace, you can absolutely, ExoCharts Pro workspace, you just have to download this and boom, you can have the workspace. Anyways, just go and check this out, you can get some good things to add into your arsenal, and if you're starting, you have the beginners lessons there waiting for you. Anyways, take care of you, let's see on the order if you have to take a longer or not, and catch you in the next one. Cheers.